Okay, so again, we're using the Ryobi, not the Ryobi. I always want to call it the Ryobi. It's the Dremel 4000, about 15,000 RPM, and there's a crack. Now, this is the only crack in the wall, so I want to make sure these little joints that I'm making are at least a good 5 mil deep. I think this blade is a bit worn out, but if I lay it over on its side, it gives me a nice groove. Just what you want, a nice V groove. You can't do that with a razor blade or a utility knife. It just doesn't work as neat as this. And I got plenty of more power if I needed it. Oh, that's great. Right where you want it. I guess there's other ways, there must be, but I was thinking you could take a scraper edge and try and open it that way. Normally I just use the Stanley knife. Okay. Now, I've only been finger tightening this, and it seemed to, it came out that time a little bit, but if I was running it at 35,000 RPMs, it would be as tight as it makes sense to do. So after I get the crack done, we go to the 2-part filler. I gotta get some more of this. You know, you've used this stuff before, so you use that. And then the rest of the wall, I'm hoping not to have to sand the whole thing down. So I just want to use this Mirka 120 grit, lightly go over it. Am I going to try and go down each one of those just to get the paint to stick? Looks like I'm going to have to. You know, like this, sorry. Here we go, on the edge. That's going to make it easier. That's still, God, it's going to be a good hour of sanding, isn't it? I mean, if you were desperate for time and you didn't really want to give it any sanding, you could just use the sugar soap and make sure you got a good clean surface. I'll use the sugar soap, and I think I'm going to mix this stuff, this Dulux Trade Weather Shield fungicide, into the mix, because a lot of this is mold. And I just did a little test up here with the sugar soap, and the mold came right off, so I don't have to sand. It's on the surface. So I just got to get a pattern so I don't keep doing it over too many times. This could be even a wet, dry job. Dip it into some water, and you got it. So I'm going to continue on with the opening the crack and then getting the filler in there. That's where we are. Talk to you later.